Hi! In front of me is Honor 8 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Honor. Start by accessing device settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on Smart Assistance over here and select one-handed UI. Then click on mini screen over here and tap on the switcher if it's not already on. Then follow those instructions. I have to slide across the navigation bar to switch between the standard and mini screen. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just click on the blank area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!